Hi, my name's Jared, a trainer with Sunny Health and Fitness. Do you ever wish you had your own personal trainer with you to help you with your form when working on your abs? Today, I have your solution. Meet the portable Ab Crunch Assist Trainer. Not only are you able to sculpt your six-pack, but this multifunctional unit can be used to strengthen and tone your upper and your lower body too. Let's explore what makes this simple piece of equipment so versatile. Core strength is the foundation for the health and development of our other muscles. Building strength and endurance in these muscles is essential as it creates benefits such as improved posture, reduced back pain, improved balance, and stability. Strong core muscles make it easier to do many activities like swinging a golf club, getting a glass from the top of a shelf, and bending down to tie your shoes. These muscles are critical for making everyday movements easier while helping to protect our body from injuries. This multifunctional unit not only strengthens your core, but also tones your upper and your lower body. Built with high-quality materials, it supports up to 300 pounds while weighing just 6.7 pounds, making it easy to store or take anywhere. Its metallic alloy frame with sturdy bolts ensures stability and reliable performance, while the pivoting padded headrest provides neck support for a comfortable workout. Anti-slip padding keeps the trainer stable and protects your floors. This exercise product is quick and easy to assemble, so you'll be ready for your first workout in minutes. Set it up in your home gym or take it with you anywhere you want. With just this one piece of equipment, the movement options are endless. Start with standard crunches for an effective abdominal workout. Twist your knees to the side to target your obliques, raise your legs for an extra burn, or bicycle your legs to engage your transverse abdominals. Flip the unit over and you can do tricep dips and push-ups. Challenge your core and your hip flexors at the same time with the leg raises. Who knew one compact device could offer so many ways to train? Our customer service team at Sunny Health and Fitness is here to support you with every step of your fitness journey. They're ready to answer any questions about this product, which comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring you get the most out of your workout experience.